Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Wake Up Bright. I am so excited to be filming today. We have been here for almost 3 months now, is that right? Yeah, like just a few days shy of 3 months. And I am just now doing my empty house tour, and our house is still pretty darn empty. But I thought as I create our space here in El Paso that I would video it. So we're gonna go from empty to at least some stuff, at least some decor and some furnishings in all the rooms. It's hard going from a tiny space to a big space, but super fun. I am so motivated by all of like the home tours and stuff that I've seen on YouTube, and I'm just excited to share mine and maybe get more tips and feedback from you guys. So without further ado, let's get into that empty house tour. So my husband actually found this house all on his own, so he did a really good job. I am so excited for fall and for decorating our front door. I think that's the first project I'm going to show you guys. And then this is our little living room area, which we've filled with a little bit of furniture, not a lot, and that I've turned into a cleaning closet. And then we have our little maze of rooms back here. It's not really a maze, but there's just a lot of doors. So I feel like someone could get lost trying to go potty. So I actually got a little powder room sign and put it up over the half bath that's down there. I think it's really cute. Then here's our little laundry room. It'll probably stay pretty basic. And our little powder room, which is now almost fully decorated. So I'll have to show that soon. But yeah, we are so excited to just be here and to be enjoying our space. We did make a mistake, and I had the movers move all of our furniture from our bedroom up into the guest room, and now I would really like to have our bed downstairs. We got a new mattress set, and then I was like, well, we'll get a new bedroom set eventually. Let's not worry about having our stuff down here, especially since I tore my ACL and MCL and broke my fibula and all that jazz. So that'd be easier, but so far it's not. And I was very apprehensive with that side bathroom that y'all just saw, and like how the closet was off the bathroom, but I am obsessed. I love it. Our garage is a little small and kind of dark. I probably could have left it just like this, but I opened the door just to let light in. I wasn't sure the little camera I was using was picking anything up because it was really dark looking on my screen, but it did. Now we're gonna go upstairs, which I'm the only one that really spends that much time up here. My husband initially played a lot of PlayStation in his office, but no more. Anyway, I'm super excited about decorating this little office. Right now it's super plain Jane and mostly empty. Here is our guest room. And this is the little kind of landing area before we go into the hub's office. He picked out the house and he staked claim to this room before I ever even knew we were looking at this house. He loved the closet for all of his gear and stuff and really liked the space, and I was like, well, as long as you're good with the gym equipment being in your office, that is fine with me. So it's like a home gym / his office. That was the little bathroom. And now for the weirdest area and probably my favorite area of our house. This is our kitchen, which is kind of huge and spacious. I kind of wish it had an island or something to take up some of the space in the center, but I think it doesn't because I think the kitchen table is supposed to go like towards the end. I know that doesn't make sense, but if we ever get a kitchen table, we don't have one right now, I will show you. And one of the lights was out in the refrigerator when we first moved in, so we got a new light and a new filter. I love having a water filter in our fridge. That's really nice. And then here's our little pantry. He was frantically looking for our garage door openers because they told us they would be in the house, and then we ended up living like a month and a half here without garage door openers, which was fine.
This is the family room area. So I would have thought it was the dining room area, except the listing listed specifically as a family room with a fireplace. So I'm thinking we will move that chandelier over the table if we get one, and then we do want a sectional for this area eventually. And our backyard, to me, it looks like a big litter box. I was kind of excited we weren't gonna have grass at first, but now I wish we had dirt or grass and not these rocks. It's really hard to pick up their poop. And with my leg, it's kind of unstable. And there's our little Hooey Bones. He's so sweet. Our dogs love it here. We love it here. And thanks for letting me ramble while you looked at our little empty house tour. And I got this last picture of our pups, and then you'll see my shiny face, and that will be it.
Thanks so much for watching my little home tour. I know I'm not like the best with the camera, and especially not in this video. I wasn't familiar with the house. It was literally like my first walkthrough, and then I had intentions of re-recording it, and I don't know what happened. But I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to decorating, and hopefully you look forward to me decorating too. I love suggestions, thoughts, and all that jazz. And yeah, if you would like to follow along, go ahead and click subscribe and the little bell, and you can follow along on my journey, or go on to my Instagram and follow me there. I will put those links below. All right, bye guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.